It's getting close. It's still kind of really slow. But so if you're wondering what's going on, you can look at my previous videos to see what I'm trying to do. But long and short, I'm trying to find out if this is a fake drive that I just bought. Write speeds were really slow after 400 gigs, and it just got progressively worse as time went on and more was being written. Looks like it's finally done writing, and so now it's reading, supposedly switching to reading to verify. Are you kidding me? Well, it says that, but according to Task Manager, nothing is happening. I mean, there's 100% active time, but nothing going on with speed, read speeds at all. So not really sure what's going on. Oh, there's a little bit there. Here, quickly said 2,405 megabytes already read. I don't know. I mean, the thing looks genuine. I looked online and it looks like other people who bought this drive also got it in the exact same packaging I did. So it's just an OEM drive. And then of course this is the actual sticker that's on there with the label. And you guys saw a picture of it on Amazon. Since my drive is in the enclosure right now, I can't pull it out during this test to show and verify that it looks the same, but I can tell you that it does. I'm just not liking that. And it's still showing 0 read speed, 0 write speeds. Active time is pegged at 100%. Still. And it's not the CPU, by the way. I am doing a little bit of mining, but even if I stop it, it doesn't do anything. And I wasn't doing that during the write portion of the test either. So my guess is the reason why it already verified 2.5 gigabytes that quick is probably because that was probably the SLC cache. But I was holding on to this video thinking that it might start moving, but it didn't. Although it did say 3 minutes and 3.5 minutes been passed. Timer remaining keeps going up. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. If anything changes, I'll let you guys know. Holy cow. Is this actually a fake drive then? Is it a bad drive? I'm a little disappointed. I'm really disappointed. I know it's QLC. This is my first QLC drive that I purchased. And it's also my first DRAM-less QLC. So it's got a lot working against it. But I never knew that a cashless QLC drive can be this bad. This is actually worse than like a micro SD card. Sheesh. And this is supposed to be an NVMe SSD drive? That is supposed to go inside of a machine. Yeah, I don't think so. I might say give this one a pass if you guys are thinking about using it. I don't know what performance will actually be like, what the real life performance and experience would be like if it's used on a like a secondary drive on a, or honestly it will be your primary drive if it's on a Steam Deck, I would think. Oh, let me refresh this. There you go. And that's what it looks like there. All right, yeah, nothing's happening, so I'm just gonna stop this for now, the recording anyways. And I'm just gonna let this go, and it's already 2 in the morning, so I'm just gonna go to bed. If you saw my video earlier, the time was wrong, but I fixed it now. Or actually, I fixed it after I realized it was wrong. The reason why it's wrong is because I dual boot with Fedora, and Linux uses UTC in the real-time clock, which is basically the clock on your BIOS or firmware. And Windows uses whatever local time zone you are and puts that into the real-time clock in your firmware. So if you dual boot between the two, it will mess up the time, like for both, you know, like depending on who gets to write to the, you know, to the real-time clock. But there is a way to fix it, a registry change in Windows to force it to use UTC in the firmware. And so now it's right. Did that go up a little bit, or did the time change? I didn't notice. All right, this is getting silly. Nothing's happening. I was hoping that I'd catch it. I caught it real time to finish writing. I was hoping reading would be a lot faster, because reading usually doesn't involve much, so. But now I'm thinking there's just no way this can be used as a Steam Deck drive. Even though I'm not using it for a Steam Deck, how can it be used as any useful drive at all? I don't know. This is terrible. And I'm only using, the reason why I'm filling it is that this test, again, is to test to see if this is a fake drive, to see if it's truly a 2 terabyte drive. It writes the entire thing and then reads the entire thing. Now, I know writing it may be slow for QLC, especially when it starts to get full. But as far as I know, read speeds weren't supposed to be slow. Not like this. So something's up. All right. Oh, in case you guys think that's a temperature thing, I did put like an ice pack over it. That didn't help. In fact, I still have it right now. That still doesn't help. All right. I'm done. I'm just going to let it go and see, because now I'm curious if what the test actually says once it completes. Is there really 2 terabytes of data in here? even if it is truly 2 terabytes, is it worth keeping? Because this thing is like not a great performer. That's understatement of the year. It's useless performance. It's basically broken. Alright, I'm letting you guys go. It's already a 10-minute video of still images and my and just me talking. Holy crap, it is moving now. It's now 2500 to 2505. It's like in the kilobytes range now. Alright. Bye.